Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Now, I said I wouldn't really be doing this, but here it is anyway. The actual comparison between the newer 126710 BLRO versus the older 126710 BLRO, both GMT-Master 2 with the Pepsi bezels from Rolex. Now, the new 2021 version in my left hand here, without the bezel protector, comes on an Oyster bracelet. Now, that's basically the only thing that's new about it, whereas the previous generation, before this year, 2021, only came on a Jubilee bracelet. The only way that you can get it on an Oyster bracelet is if you purchased the white gold version of this watch. And, you know, that one is more malleable, even though it is a bit more, more incognito in terms of its wearing and the overall experience. It can still be a little bit heavy and also, again, more malleable. So if you have any, potential threats on that watch, you could potentially dent it or damage it. So I believe the demand for more stainless steel offerings from Rolex has manifested in the new model, the 2021 model with the Oyster bracelet. A bit sportier, less luxurious, but, well, actually no, still equally luxurious, just less blingy. So we'll be doing the little comparison basically of what's different. Now, what's different? Literally just the bracelets. I've already went over this in the original video for the new 2021. All right, so the 2021 version, this one came with the Oyster bracelet. Now, looking at it with its native bracelet on, fits just fine. It slides in perfectly, all right? 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock. And note that there's absolutely zero tolerance with these bracelets, so you have to slide them in perfectly, all right? As you can see, fits perfectly. All right, this is the bracelet and the exact model watch that this bracelet came on. All right, now if I were to take this and put the Jubilee model bracelet on, you'll know that it's actually exactly the same. It fits perfectly. All right, absolutely zero tolerance on there. All right. On the 12 o'clock as well as on the 6 o'clock side. Also fits perfectly, all right? And that's due to the fact that the lug spacing, the lug width, is literally the same for both of these watches. You'll see that they both say stainless steel at the 6 o'clock with that tiny little shelf on the inside. And on the 12 o'clock side, well, you're going to have that model number, 126710, with, official Rolex design also engraved in there, all right? So they're literally the same. So taking a look at this version, the one with the bezel protector, this is the one that has the Jubilee bracelet on it. All right, and just to show you, this is how the bracelet was originally on this watch. Fit in just perfectly there. All right. And also on the 12 o'clock side, again, zero tolerance makes it really hard to put this in. All right, and there you go, nice and perfect. Slides in like a dream once you get it. All right, so that's the original bracelet for this older 126710 model. Now, taking the newer bracelet, we can actually prove through physical placement that the Oyster bracelet will in fact slide in there, and it does so perfectly. No tolerance, zero wiggle room, fits perfectly. All right, 6 o'clock side and at the 12 o'clock, fits in perfectly. All right, so the main question here is, are these two bracelets interchangeable between the older Pepsi model and the newer Pepsi model? And you'll find that the answer is in fact yes. So If you would like to have the newer model 126710 BLRO, the Pepsi, and you happen to only find the Jubilee version at a lower price, just buy the Jubilee version and purchase a separate Oyster bracelet to fit on that one, so you actually have that, you know, that choice on which bracelet you'd like. And if you already have the one on the Jubilee bracelet, you don't have to buy the new one on the Oyster bracelet. You can just simply buy the Oyster bracelet and put on your Jubilee model. It's literally exactly the same. So if you'd like to get one of these Oyster bracelets, I believe they only sell it for this model, the 126710 models, the GMT-Master 2s. So if you'd like to grab one of those and just slap it on there, go to our website, jazztime.com, where you can see the price for the bracelet, as well as, you know, even if you need to just get your first watch, you can get it there at the lowest possible price online. All right, that's about it. That's all I got for you. So literally, the bracelets are different, and they both fit on the new and old models of the 126710 BLRO, the GMT-Master 2 with the Pepsi bezel. All right, take care. We'll see you in the next video.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page, where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.